Hey everyone, I'm Shamir, CEO and co-founder of Storylines, and we're back with the second edition of our Storyline, where I take you on a journey to building this video AI startup, where we are building an AI video editor for every video editor to help them tell more and better stories. Let's talk about our first product that we built, which is a long form to punchy social media clip editor. The problem I've observed, where I've even seen others facing time and time again, is you've completed an edit and now you're ready to publish and promote it on social media, but now you have to go back into the edit to create a bunch of clips to post it to Instagram, X, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and it's painful. It's really painful to go in and have to figure out which are the right points and how to cut it together. And sometimes you're cutting in clips from disparate parts of the edit. With Storylines, you can do that in one click. You upload that long form video interview, video podcast, webinar, conference video, panel discussion, keynote, and out comes a dozen clips suitable for social media, 1 minute in length, punchy, fun, interesting, engaging, and you can make any edits and you can hit export and get that rough cut right back into Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. You can even get the animated captions to come along with it. Or you can even download an MP4 from Storylines and publish it directly to the platform. Social media is a really, really important channel to market what you're doing, what you're working on. It's imperative to have video as part of your social media strategy. Now you can do that automatically. There's two things that we're working on right now. One, we want to increase the speed of the edit results. You upload your video and the speed to get it back, we want to make it much faster. Number two is you can add B-roll today. Select the parts of the transcript where you want to drop in B-roll, the time and URL of the video to insert as B-roll, but we want to make it automatic so that the AI suggests B-roll clips for different parts of the edit. I'd love to hear from video editors, what you think, how it worked. Please feel free to sign up at storylines.video. If you have any comments, thoughts, or feedback, feel free to reach out to me at storylines.video.